So here we go, guys. This is the little Hyundai Super Silent oil-free small compressor I bought. So it allows me to do things like checking the tire pressures on the bus, spray painting, other tools for sanding, etc. So it's really a nice little unit. Seems to have plenty of power for pumping up the tires on the bus. So I'm assuming it'll be okay for like a spraying and things. So just going to turn it on and you hear just how silent it is. Just a second, guys. It's just filled up, so I need to let some air out so as we can hear it going. This is another nice little thing I bought off Amazon. I'll try and put the things in for it. Nice little digital air pressure for tires and things. Don't know how well you can see that. Okay, we'll add a bit more ice to get the compressor to kick in, and then you'll hear just how quiet it is. Still letting air out. Dropping down. Hopefully she'll kick in soon. Down to about 30 psi. Nice little compact unit. Beauty about it, oil free, so not having to oil it or do anything with it. And it also comes with two outports or outlets or whatever you call them. So you can have two lines, which means you can have two tools available. Obviously somebody isn't at the same time, but see if you just that thing of having to change one tool there all the time. So not a lot of pressure in, so she's not kicking in yet. There we go, guys. Sorry, twit, hadn't got her switched on. So I don't know if you can hear it or not. That's the noise. It's nice and really little quiet little unit. I'm very pleased with her. So I am. So and she's the, you can see it there, she's the model HY7524. She's a slightly more powerful 1 horsepower motor. This is a pretty powerful little unit, the compact size of her. And as you can hear, it's about 60 something decibels. I'm sure you can hear me over the noise of it quite easily. Right, so that's me, guys. Just out changing the air filter. So I was just changed the air filter in here, and there's plenty of videos on YouTube on how to change the air filter in a T5 and the pollen filter inside. So I just thought I'd get those couple little jobs out of the way. Waiting on some parts at the moment. New wiring harness for the glow plugs. And I'll be going to order my frame I was talking about in the last video for the door, so I can get this door done. As I say, this is sort of where the van door sitting just inside here will replace these doors here on the front, so it will. Okay, and I've been able to do the tire pressures for the whole bus with the little compressor, and it dealt with it no problem at all. So there you go, guys. It's built up the pressure again and switched off. So I'm signing off for now. Say please like, subscribe, share, and hopefully now I can start to get back to working on getting a lot of the bus done and back into working order, so as I can really get stuck into the conversion inside. Anyway, cheers guys, take care, all the best, bye.